Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Adobe Photoshop. And in this video, I'll show you how to disable recently saved project files in your Photoshop. Just like what you see right here, if you are the type that you do not like to have some of the recently filed piled up in your Photoshop like this because it generates more files and make your Photoshop load very slow. So how can you disable this particular auto recently saved file in Photoshop? So what you want to do is to come to the top right here from your Photoshop or top menu right here. Go ahead and click on edit. The next thing you want to do is to come down below right here where you are continuing to scroll down until you get to preferences right here. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and go to file handling right here. Click on that. Now you are here. So what you want to do right here is to come to under the bottom right here where you have recently file list contain about 20. Just go ahead and make sure it is 0. Once you make it 0, come to the top right here and hit on OK. Once you hit on OK, restart your PC and relaunch your Photoshop. The recently file is going to be disabled and you will no longer to have it in your Photoshop any longer. It's that simple. More tutorial tips and tricks about how best to use your Photoshop software, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video.